all my Renaissance men and women. Today we're going to talk about my biggest issue with this Jeep Gladiator so far. I got 5,200 kilometers on this vehicle. I've already done a full windshield replacement on this vehicle. Luckily I have good insurance and I got the OEM Mopar windshield replacement. Take a look here. You got your Mopar decal here. On the other side here, you got your little Jeep climbing up here. So I've already had one replacement in 5,000 kilometers, and already again I have a few more little cracks here. They're too small to get filled right now, but yeah, that's my biggest issue with this vehicle right now. So I wanted to do a mod to maybe try to help with the rocks and shit hitting the windshield and smashing it. First things first, we got this Lady Dog Ale from Yukon Brewing. Never had it. Old English Ale. Probably tastes like a Colt 45 or one of those big old English 40s. Let's try it out. Look how dark that is. It's for all the dead homies. Those cool little dog sled dogs on there. So there's nothing much we can do with this windshield other than I hear there's a Gorilla Glass for the Wranglers, maybe for the Gladiators too. Not sure if it's out yet, but I would like to get one of those Gorilla Glass Mopar windshields at some point. So let's take a look at our mod we're going to do today. We got in the box. It's all flattened out. Here we have the Bushwacker bug and rock deflector. I'm gonna put that on the hood and hopefully that'll help deflect any rocks or bugs, give it a little more protection, hopefully not get any more cracked windshields, which I know I will. So I'm gonna put it on anyway. I put the decal on, don't know how long it will last, it'll probably fall off. First things first, I gotta clean this filthy hood. With the Bushwacker limited lifetime warranty. Love the lifetime warranties. Got an extra decal too, white. I like the white one better, so I'm going to save it for last when that one falls off. Clean this hood as best I can, get it perfectly dry. Kind of dry fitted. It says it should be out about 1/16 of an inch. Alcohol. Pull these sticky tapes back just a little bit, fold it. Fold it. Extinguisher all the way around your tape. Just hope to God it sticks down because of this rain. You know what you think of this Bushwacker rock and bug deflector? Should I not put the decal there? Look good or stupid? Or let me know in the comments.